Hi, I'm Gary. I'm going to just show you a different technique today with these irons, something that you can use to manipulate hair. We're going to put a really nice sort of soft curl onto this naturally sort of fine, very light textured hair. We'll start in the back, something no more than about ½ an inch deep. And we use the hairdresser's best friend, sectioning clip. We cannot live without these, and you shouldn't either. So we'll take a nice section of hair. Place it in between the irons as quickly as you can. And just roll it nice and gently, just giving a bit of tension in it until you get to the end. You get a really nice soft bit of movement in the hair. Once again, nice clean section, no more than about ½ an inch deep. You can vary them slightly. If you take a slightly thicker section, more hair, you'll have a much softer curl on the ends of the hair with very little root movement. And if you take a fine section, you'll have a much sort of curlier result. So once again, keep the tension, be careful, hold the irons, make sure you've got them at the tip of the iron, and they come out and sit there. So I'm just going to carry on working my way through the hair, just varying all the different curl sizes and giving it a nice, really different texture. I think the key with this is to be methodical. You know, if you try and work too messily, you will just end up with a sort of more of a haphazard result. So once again, nice firm tension, fingertips on the ends of the iron, and just curl that hair through it. Just keep rolling it. Beautiful curl. So I'm varying the texture and the shape of the curl now. I'm just holding this vertically. So a little tip for you, curl's had a little bit more tension on the irons, wrap it quickly around your finger, so it's like the old-fashioned pin curl. Your mums will tell you about this, it's great. Just grip it with a pin, and that will keep the hair set, it will cool down, and it'll give greater longevity to your actual curl. Slightly bigger section, and once again near the top of the head, it gives me a nice sort of softer image at the end of it, as you'll see. Same principle with the fringe as we've done on the top section, is just bevel the iron quickly, and that gives you that really nice quick kick on the fringe. It starts to blend it in before we brush it all out. There's half the section done already. As you see, it's really nice and quick. Looks like it's been traditionally done in rollers, but slightly looser, a bit sexier I feel. Okay, here's the lovely Katja. She's finished now. She's got absolutely wonderful head of really sexy cascading curls, all done with that little nice little tool like this. You know, as a professional hairdresser, from years of doing show work, from doing seminars, etc., and doing a lot of sort of fashion work as well, it's quick, it's simple to use, and that's really what I'm looking for out of a tool like this. This glided through the hair. I think you saw that when I was doing the model itself. There was really no tugging, no effort involved, and gave me what I would call a really nice, soft, beautiful curl. And it just gave me all different types of curl in the hair as well. They weren't all symmetrical, which I think as professional hairdressers, we really need that edge. Otherwise it can all look a bit too symmetrical and a little bit too samey, and you really won't get that sort of professional finish that clients, they insist upon. I found the curl this this gave me was much softer than irons that I've used previously in the past. I didn't get any sort of bent, beveled edges that would almost look like a little right angle in the hair. I could work it all the way through the hair, just gently twisting it, and it really gave me that soft look that is equivalent to using a tong. So, you know, you've got two tools for the price of one.